Take one quick look at those wallet figures. They're seriously next level. If your goal is to earn heavy from meme coins, don't click away. I've got the full walkthrough ready. I struggled for months trying to profit. Then I hit gold with this overpowered method. Just before we break down the whole game plan, let me warn you, skip pump fun. It's completely oversaturated. Anyone can throw up a project without paying a dime, and it's not worth competing there. Right now is the moment to take the premium route and chase legit gains. Head into Photon and filter by pump fun decks. You'll see endless coins launching like a slot machine. Almost all of them are garbage, flooding in constantly and dying just as fast. It's what you get when everyone and their dog can launch a token with one click. So if you're here to actually profit, skip pump fun entirely. It's a waste of effort. Now that we're analyzing Radium, the pace is completely different. Hardly anything new is hitting the decks. Just a couple of coins have launched in the past few minutes. Stack that next to pump fun, and the difference is ridiculous. The hype here is through the roof. Look at the market cap numbers. Pump fun doesn't stand a chance. Why's that? Radium filters out low-effort coins by requiring real coding. That's why we're launching here. Let me show you the exact process. I came across Launch Tool by pure luck, and it turned out to be a total game changer. It's insane how underrated it is. You don't need a single line of code to launch a token on Radium. It's that beginner-friendly. Just click through the steps, and you're all set. It's been pumping money for me week after week, and it still runs smooth. Already grabbed a meme-style logo off Google, and yeah, it's a trending one. No surprise there. Picking something viral is key, trust me. I always recommend digging around until you find a funny image that's getting attention. It pulls in investors like nothing else. It's been a winning strategy for me. Now head over to Canva, hit Create New Design, resize it to 128 by 128, clean up the details, and save it. Fast and smooth, just the way I like to work. Fire up Launch Tool and begin entering the token settings. I'm naming it King Charles Dog with the symbol KCD. Drop in a fun little description. Mine is the dog with the aura of a king, ruling the meme realm with a single paw. Upload the meme logo you created, then click Next. You'll arrive at the tokenomics page. Don't touch anything. It's perfectly set. We'll need the full 1 billion supply for the next steps. Click Next once more, and you'll be brought to the creator info screen. Warning, modifying anything here costs 0.1 Sol. You can add your own creator name, but in my opinion, that's a waste. I leave it disabled and skip through. After that, there's a section for social media links. You can enter them if you want, but I usually leave it blank. Keep going. You're now entering a very critical part of the setup. Be careful. Misusing these switches can completely ruin your project. Asking why this matters? Revoke Freeze lets you lock trading whenever you want if it's left on. Revoke Mint being active means infinite tokens can be created. And with Revoke Update, you can change key info anytime. Buyers see that, and they're out instantly. That's how your project loses credibility, and your profits disappear with it. Just leave everything how it is and click Launch My Token. Your Phantom wallet will pop up next. Approve the transaction like normal, and that's it, you're good. Now it's time to check your token status. I'm heading to SolScan to double check mine. And yep, it's officially on the blockchain, but trading isn't live yet. We've got one more move to make. Let's keep it rolling. Open Launch Tool and click Create Liquidity Pool. You'll be forwarded to Radium right away. First, connect your wallet, then make your meme coin the base token. Open the token selector, grab your contract address from Launch Tool, and paste it in under the Select the Token prompt. Now enter your token info. I'm using KCD as the ticker and King Charles Dog as the name. Click on Add User Token, then click it again to confirm. Set the amount to 900 million. That's the standard from the 1 billion total. Pick Solana as your quote asset. Since you're adding your own liquidity, you can press max without worry. Just hold back 0.2 Sol. That's the platform fee Radium takes, and it'll be highlighted in yellow. Set the fee tier to 2% before moving on. After filling out everything, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the wallet request. And boom, your token is now live for trading. Head to Photon and you'll find your meme coin listed right there. That's all set. Let's check the chart now. Go to deckscreener.com and pick a random token so the site loads properly. Give it a second, then go back to Launch Tool, copy your coin's address, and replace the one on DeckScreener with it. Hit enter. Your chart will show up instantly. Most of the first movements are bots doing early buys. No stress. Just hold on and let's wait for the first sign of movement in the order book. While we're waiting, take a look at your Radium portfolio every so often. Make sure you're on standard mode. You'll see your position show up underneath shortly. It may take a minute or two. And there it is. First buy came in already. Let me scroll so you can spot it. It was a $34 order, equal to about 0.2 sol basically. I'm still holding off. Want to see what more comes in. You'll notice some sell activity too, but no worries. That's actually helping. More volume means more visibility, which brings in new buyers fast. Boom, second order landed 0.22 sol or $37. Look at the current stats. Liquidity is $437, and market cap is now at $407. We're off to a killer beginning, and I'm confident it's going to rise. Oh, but hold up. Let's check the chart real quick too. Damn, bros, it's grown by 135% since we initially paired it, and that's just crazy to think about. But it's real. The crazy part? You don't need any kind of promotion. This strategy is totally repeatable. Like I've said before, it works like a charm. And yep, we just got another order in, fresh off the block. Third order just landed, nearly $52, about 0.31 sol. Insanity. Seeing all these sell orders flooding in is my green light to rug the coin, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. Remember, this whole tutorial is for educational purposes only. Results may vary. Wait, hold up. Fourth order alert. That's crazy. I was just about to rug this coin within a minute, and then this happened. But yeah, nothing too special. Just a $33 buy. But hey, it's still something. By the way, it was placed in under 40 seconds. But before I make my exit, let's review the stats one last time. Liquidity shows $593, market cap sits at $633, and the coin's only been out for 1 hour and 13 minutes. That's a huge gain in such a short window. I'm beyond satisfied, so I'm pulling out now. Open up Radium, connect your wallet, and switch to the standard layout. Click the minus button. Move the slider up to 100%. Focus on the sol part. That's the amount you'll keep. Hit remove liquidity. Approve the wallet prompt. And boom, confirmation appears. That means your profit's in the bag. Now for the best moment. Launch Phantom and admire the result. I dropped about $210 in and pulled a freaking $310 back out. One thing though, I'm not affiliated with Launchtool, Photon, or Radium. This was created for educational reasons only. The method is powerful, but it might not last forever. So if you're going to use it, now's your shot.